Hi there, for today's reading activity, we are going to be focusing on setting. So what I would like for you to do is write today's date, 3-4-21. Then get your journal, get the page and fold it down the middle. Draw a line. We've done this before. I'll give you a moment to catch up in a minute if you need to. But you're going to write where does the story take place, and when. So go ahead and get your journal set up like this. If you need more time, just pause the video, but I'll give you some time right now. Okay, if you need more time, just pause the video, but where? So you are going to draw a picture of where the setting was taking place. And then right here, tell me where. Write the word. Was it in a house? Was it in space? Was it outside? Was it inside? Tell me where the story took place. Write the word. And then draw the picture, okay? And then when? Was it during the daytime, nighttime? Was it in the month of July, spring, summer? I just want one word for each. You can, of course, write more than one, but at least one word and picture for where, and one word and one picture for when. Okay? Okay, and that's all for our reading activity today. Remember, today's read aloud was The Lion and the Mouse, and if you need a little reminder of the setting of the where the story took place and when the story took place, just go ahead and go back to the read aloud and look through the video.